Well, it's day 3, everybody. It's a long day. It's around 8 o'clock. My second cup of coffee. Decaffeinated. Still great. Started off this morning, I had my little short story. I watched all your videos. Boy, they were fun. I love the fact that you guys are having fun submitting your 30-second video. That's what it's all about. It's to really have fun, realize what you can do with the video. Hopefully when we get back, we'll be able to put them all together and really see how much fun you can have, doing the final edits as well. Heading to interview Dr. Cook.
The White House Task Force.
We agreed to have an interview today, and we went over a lot of things, and it was a really good interview. He gave us a lot of information. Our school district's doing a great job of keeping everybody informed. I was able to see the school's getting cleaned like crazy. And Mr. Muirhead and his lunch program is really doing a great service for our community. Got a lot of volunteers, really making this thing work for our district.
That's the only way it's working.
Yeah,
volunteers.
Good stuff, Bill.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, good. And that was great to go out there and see that firsthand. So I got back and I worked on the news. I worked on the news quite a bit. I'm waiting now for the YouTube to finish uploading. I couldn't get out and get my run or my shots in today. Very disappointing. But Mr. McEnany came over.
Rewind the video and play it backward. I don't know. I work on the jump.
I call him Set Shot. And he got some shots in. It was fun to watch him do that, even though I was working. Today we had dinner with the Wasanas. Fantastic. I recommend it. Got to get my exercise, so I'll probably get out first thing in the morning. Maybe I'll submit one this weekend, but if not, I'll check out your work. I'll keep looking at it. Look forward to seeing your submissions, and if not, I'll see you Monday. Okay? Be safe.